We're here at Central Ohio Farmers Co-op in Green Camp, Ohio. And when this company says they run on propane, they really mean it. We have Bill Barger here. He's the energy manager here. Bill, can you tell me a little bit more about this company and what the services they provide?
Yeah, here in the energy department, we have several different departments on the agriculture and fuel and everything, but this is the propane side of it, and we service over 4,000 customers in the central Ohio area. It's about a 60-mile radius here at Green Camp.
And you're actually starting to run your vehicles on propane. So you're actually running propane on propane.
Right, right. Yeah, we want to get in propane auto gas to help school districts and everything, and we thought we better live it, know what we're getting into if we want to try to sell it. So.
And can you tell me a little bit about the motors for propane vehicles versus the diesel vehicles?
Yeah, definitely. This week I've had 2 trucks down on the diesel motors, and the propane keeps going. I mean, with the diesel, it's getting more and more with the DEF and the algae and the fuel and everything, and so we're having more problems with the diesels, and that's another great thing about the propane motors.
So, I mean, propane runs cleaner and it's easier to operate?
Yes, definitely.
And can you tell me how in the wintertime it's a little bit easier to have propane versus diesel? I know you're having to heat up the fuel for diesel ahead of time.
Right, and we don't have to plug the trucks in because the propane's a lot better on cold starting. So.
And how are your mechanics liking working on these vehicles?
They like it really well because there's a lot more room under the hood to work on it, and it's less filters and less fluids to work with and a little cleaner. So.
And I know you were actually one of the recipients of the Ohio Propane Gas Association incentive. Can you tell me a little bit more about that process and how that worked for you?
Yeah, that was really easy. They just had some forms you had to fill out, and then that was just the extra incentive to do it.
And if you're a fleet owner, there you have it. It's super easy. So if you want to learn more about the grant money that's available, make sure to go to ohiootogas.com. I'm Abby with the Ohio Propane Gas Association. Thanks for tuning in.